Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to talk about the official update Realme UI 3.0 details on the Realme X1 Max device. The main reason why I'm uploading this video is because I'm getting plenty of comments, friends, on the Realme X1 Max asking me that when will be the official Realme UI 3.0 update will be coming. So many comments, I think close to 100 to 200 comments I'm getting every day on this Realme X1 Max device. So I thought of making a video and just letting you know what's going on. The main reason is because yesterday only I did receive the official update in the Realme GT. So this is the Realme GT which I'm trying to use. This is official. There is no trial version. There is no beta version. This is the official version of the Realme UI 3.0 which the phone has been updated. But other phones like Realme X1 Max and the Realme GT Neo 2, they are still in the trial version, as you can clearly see, friends. So after watching this video, I'm getting more and more messages as well. But you should definitely understand one quick note. This Realme GT did receive the Realme UI update, I think 2 months back. So I think around October, starting first week, around that time, the Realme GT did receive the update beta version. And right now, December end, we did receive the official update. So it took kind of close to 2.5 months to get the official update in the Realme GT. So maybe even that's what I'm thinking in the Realme X1 Max device. The Realme X1 Max did receive the beta version, maybe kind of close to, I think, around 3 weeks back, I guess, 3 weeks back, 15 days maybe. So maybe it might take a little bit kind of more time. So already we got the second batch of beta version of invitation for few of the users. I think they need to do a lot of testings by fixing all the bugs in the Realme X1 Max device. That might be the reason why it's taking a long time for the users to get the Realme UI 3.0 official update. So if you ask me this question, I can definitely, I don't have any answer because I'm not working for them. I am not in their team as well. But still, like, maybe it might take close to Jan end. That's what I'm expecting. So maybe we should give some time, right? Maybe close to 1.5 months or 2 months of time to get the official update. Till then, maybe the Realme might be inviting more and more beta version users. So make sure to follow my channel, friends, regularly. I'll keep you posted what's going on. So that is what my expected date would be there. Minimum 1.5 months to 2 months of time the Realme X1 Max will take to get the official update of the Realme UI 3.0. That's what I can definitely say you when we'll be getting the update. So in case if you're having any other questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends. Definitely I'll be able to help you out. But right now in the Battlegrounds mobile game, we cannot play it 90 FPS. We cannot play it 70 FPS because FPS has been completely locked to 60 FPS only. That's one biggest disadvantage with the Realme UI. So Realme will be fixing all this kind of bugs and all this kind of issues as soon as possible. And we will be getting the stable version very soon. I think maybe 2 months we need to wait, 1.5 months to 2 months. And this is for the users who are actually using the beta version. So beta version users, they'll get the official update after that much of long time. And the users who are not using the beta version, they may get the regular security patch updates. Normal security patch updates they will be getting every month as usual. So that's something you should definitely understand if you're trying to use the device. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And in case if you're having any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off, friends. Thank you for watching. Sorry, I cannot give you exact date and exact time when we'll be getting. But based on the statistics and based on the history of the Realme GT, based on this history only, I can actually say you that it will take close to 1 to 2 months. Because this phone was in the beta version for 2 months, 2.5 months. This phone was in continuously beta version only. Then later on it got updated to the official version. So make sure to remember this kind of things, friends, before you ask this many questions. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. And meanwhile, signing off. Until then, bye.